Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to move a zip file from a USB flash drive to a Mac computer using terminal and terminal commands. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to a USB flash drive which can have a capacity of 1, 2, 4 all the way up to 1 terabyte. In this tutorial, we are not really concerned about the capacity as we are working with very small files. We also need to know how to use terminal as well as the commands in the command prompt to allow us to create the output via the input so we can now start this tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, insert the USB into the Mac computer. Let's wait for that to load. There we go on screen, Kingston within locations, and there we have a zip file that's called folder.zip. Let's now minimize Finder for the moment. Now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for terminal, open that up, increase the size of the terminal window, as well as the text size on screen using Command plus a couple of times. There we go. Now let's clear everything on screen, clear the content. Let's navigate to the desktop via CD desktop. Let's list everything on screen, all within one command. There we go. Let's go CD/volumes Kingston ls-l, and now we are looking to move a folder.zip from the USB flash drive to the Mac computer. Let's go all the way down to the dock, open up the Kingston USB, find a window, decrease the size of the Finder window. Now let's look at everything in one frame. So let's go back to terminal. The command to move the zip file from the Kingston USB to the Mac computer desktop is mv folder.zip. And now option N /desktop, enter, and there we have just seen the zip file jump from the Kingston USB to the Mac computer desktop. Now let's clear everything on screen, change directory, quit terminal, increase the Finder window size, quit Finder, eject the Kingston USB. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.